My name is Marius, and I spent hundreds of hours studying the topic studying itself, build a community of thousands of students, and am helping them every single day achieve academic success. With this knowledge, I've created the University Starter Kit to help you avoid perfectionism and escape your planning rut. The University Starter Kit offers a solution to minimize distractions, maximize focus and productivity so that you can concentrate more on your studies with the best study material at hand. So quality number one of it is that you can minimize distractions today. When I went to uni, I wanted to have the perfect schedule. So I spent dozens of hours trying to design it, which ended up me doing nothing at all and failing that class. With the 10 designs, you already have a perfectly well structured layout, which on top of that is fully hyperlinked so that you can limit your distractions immediately. And due to that, you get the best out of your study session. You will also be able to optimize your study tools because all PDF readers are able to open the components of the University Starter Kit. The thing is, most of them are quite flawed. You're not able to link pages within a file. Now, the University Starter Kit already contains linked pages so that you don't have to do that, which means it's designed for an optimal study experience. You're able to use flashcards. Plus, on top of that, you get notebooks and templates, which most PDF readers don't even offer. Now, quality 4 is that it's based on science, and I mean that because scientists and experts agreed that the best way to study, to retain as much as possible, is not by rereading or rewriting your study material, but instead is by asking yourself critical questions without having your study material in front of you. It's called active recall. The most popular way of using active recall are flashcards. And in the University Starter Kit, you get a notebook for active lecture notes and flashcards itself, so that you can actively think about your study material instead of just passively consuming it. You'll be able to revise immediately in the lecture so that ultimately you have more time at hand after lecture, because you need to revise less. Hence, it's more time efficient and highly effective. And that is just possible because we're using Cornell notes in the active lecture planner linked to questions, which again link to flashcards. So just this one planner is an overall solution for your lecture notes. And the cool part, which is quality number 5, you can study everywhere at any time. I, myself, spent over a year in the UK, coming from Germany, and I had to carry 40 kilograms just of university notes with me, just to stay up to date with my seminars and my classes. So in case you ever want to do a foreign study year, it's better to have your notes digitalized. But that does not exclude all those commuters out there who travel in between university, their faculty, and home every single day. So instead of having tons of books with you and flashcards and all those lecture notes, which have to be the prettiest ever, you can travel lightly with a University Starter Kit. But I know that studying is not everything, especially when it comes to uni life. You might also want to focus on working out, on your private life. I mean, budgeting nowadays is quite a tricky one, and we're never really taught finances in school, which is why you're on top of all notebooks that I've mentioned, getting 25 templates that you can use for your time after class in school. And because that is not enough, you also get a free bundle of unlinked templates for your studies with you. I soon will be adding a Notion template as well, and on top of that a study guide. So grab your University Starter Kit, the link is down below if you want to be well prepared for university and your life ahead.